Hi, my name is Ruth Donnelly from Coachwood Nursery in Somersby, New South Wales, Australia. This colourful plant, it's just getting the most amazing pink tones. It's a variegated plant and it's a new release from our nursery, and it's called Kalanchoe Desert Sunset. It grows to about 18 inches tall, or about 45 centimetres, and it's just a very fast growing shape that's about a bun shape, so it's going to get a little bit wider, about 40 centimetres wide, and it just grows extremely fast, and it bushes up and it flowers in winter. So you can cut the flowers off, you can even use the flowers for flower arranging. So it's quite a useful plant. It's fantastic in a situation where you've got a border, a low hedge. It's a really good landscaping plant, as well as a potted plant. So for a container, for a patio, for a balcony, for an apartment courtyard, wherever you want to use it, it's just a great addition to your succulent collection. It's very long-lived, so it's going to last for a long time, and it's very pretty. It's got very variegated foliage. In summer, when it's actively growing, you'll find it's got a tricolour effect on the leaf, where you've got green tones, yellow tones, as well as that fleck of pink. So that's why we named it Kalanchoe Desert Sunset. So come along to our open days, which we have usually once a month. Look at our website, coachwoodnursery.com, and you'll find that we do workshops on succulents, we do workshops for dried flowers, and we do organic garden tours from our farm as well. So there's a wide variety of things to do here. All the information, how to book, everything you need to know is on our website, and it's a great place to come and visit. It's an outing to learn, very educational, and we share everything you need to know about succulents during our succulent workshop. And we look forward to seeing you then. Thank you.